Hi, my name is Islin Monasteri with Theia Marketing, and today I'll be showing you how to upload your opt-in freebie into Mailchimp. Now, it's a pretty simple process. First, you log in, then you choose your list or you create a list on Mailchimp, and then you upload your files to the content manager, and then you use sign-up forms to integrate your opt-in. So let's get started. So first, we're at the Mailchimp website. And then you just go into sign up free. And you just put in your email, your username, and your password, and then click get started. And then you can't get started right away because Mailchimp has to send you an email to activate your account. So all you have to do is click on that activate account link and you're good to go. Now, then you log in. Make sure you're not a robot. And then you log in. And then it's quite simple. Sometimes you might have to do two-step verification here. So now you go create your list in the upper, left hand. And then we're going to create a new list for a blog. So we're going to create this new list for a blog for a client. So we're going to create list in the right hand corner and then create a list. And then the list name, in this example, will be Mania. The from email address will be islin@healandberich.com. And then the default from name, I just use my first name, islin@healandberich. Okay. So, you have your campaign URL settings. It's generated randomly. And then you remind people how they signed up to your list. And we're just going to reuse another one. So you're receiving this email because you opted in at our website, healandberich.com. Thanks. And then contact information for this list. You can ask, why is it necessary? It's for canned spam. So it's quite simple. So there you go. And then you're ready to go. And then today we're going to show you enable GDPR fields and show you what that looks like on a form. And then notifications. Since the list is not very active, you can just do 1-by-1 subscribes and 1-by-1 unsubscribes. And then you click save. Sorry about that. You click save. And now you've created your list. Now go up to templates. It's kind of on the left-hand corner, templates. And then you go to your right hand and it's content manager. So then go to your right hand corner and you see how there's like two images or two icons of files and you're not quite sure what they are. Just click on the toggle list view versus the toggle grid view, toggle list view, and then you can see what files there are. Now we're going to create a new folder. We're going to call it Mania. Then that's it. So make sure you have Mania selected. Add folder. Mania. Okay. And make sure you have that folder selected. Now we're going to upload a couple of files. Now I just put it in my downloads. We're going to do the filled out printable for organizing ideas while you're hypomanic or manic. And then just open that one up. And then it's going to populate. And then we're going to upload another one, the actual printable. So one is filled out and one is the printable. Okay. Now, we have our files uploaded now. Now, we're going to go back and then click on List. And then you see how you have lists here. And then click on Mania. And then click Sign Up Forms. And then you want to go into Form Builder here. And then click Select. And then you just go to your sign up form. Now in the sign up form, there's multiple options. So we're going to go into the confirmation thank you page and final welcome email as well. So we're going to go into sign up form. And then say you don't like it just Mania, you can edit that as well. And we can just call it, for example, organizing ideas. Hypo manic or of manic or manic. Okay. Organizing your ideas and projects. Okay. Save and close. Let's say you want to get rid of a field. Just click on the field and click on the minus sign. And then they want you to type delete to confirm. Because you don't really need their last name, you just need their email address and their first name. Now, we can go into design it, and then we can change the background color. So usually I have a file with all of my colors for my brand, and ta-da, that's how you change it. It's pretty simple. So the address and phone number are hidden. You don't have to do anything with those fields. And then the marketing permissions is the new GDPR. And when people are signing up, usually they just click on email. So then that's it. That's all you have to do. Your sign up form. Now go back up to the top of the screen, and then you can go to sign up form and then go to confirmation thank you page. And then this is where you put your, let's go to build it. And then this is where you would put your opt-ins. Then so just click inside to edit. And then you go in and to download your freebie, click here to download organizing your ideas and projects when hypomanic or manic. And then there is the filled out version. And then Control copy. So I just highlighted the text I wanted to copy. Control C on the keyboard, and then Control V to paste, and then blank version. And then you highlight the text that you want to link, and you go into the linking button right there. And then you're going to link to a file. So remember the files that you've uploaded. So Mania. So see the two annoying icons again. So you just have to go to toggle by list view, And then this is, I think, the filled out version. And then you just click insert on the upper right hand corner. And then insert again. And then choose the blank version. And then you're going to link it to a file again, just to the printable this time. And then insert. And then insert again. And that's it. And now we're going to also send folks an email about it. So then you're going to control copy. I love my Trello alerts. Control copy, and then, so it's scary. They don't, like, they automatically save everything. So then you're going to go back to this gray bar here and do a final welcome email. And then you're just going to simply edit this top part and then add your freebie links and save and close. So I just, to make that appear, I just did Control V to paste on my keyboard. And that's it. So save and close. And that's it. So you have your, so just to recap, we did a sign up form, which you don't always have to do. You can also have sign up forms as a block on your blog or your website. And then the confirmation thank you page so that people can download their freebies, and then the final welcome email so that people have their freebies within their email. Now we're going to go back to sign up form, and now we're going control copy, and we're going to paste it and test it. So let's go to your email address. So let's not do that one. Let's say killandberich@gmail.com. Put in your first name. And then this is the GDPR marketing permissions. So if you decide not to choose the GDPR marketing permissions, then you wouldn't have this block, this marketing permissions block on your form. So I'm just going to choose email. I'm going to subscribe to the list and confirm humanity that I am not a robot. And I'm going to subscribe to the list. Now, let's see. And now that's pretty simple there. Continue to our website. And then, so the sign up form works. So it's interesting as I'm testing it. So it didn't save. Oh no, it didn't save the links. But let's see in the final welcome email. So let's go back to the final welcome email. Control copy, save and close. And then let's go to the confirmation thank you page. And so this is why it's so important to actually test it before you take it live. So save and close, or before you actually link it in your blog or whatever you're going to do. So that's it. That's all you have to do. So let's go and try it again. Let's go up to sign up form and sign up form URL. Let's put in a different email address. Now remember, I'm going to unsubscribe all these emails once you've finished testing it. I'm not a robot. You subscribe to list, and this time the subscription is confirmed. Oh, Zapier. Okay. I am so random. Okay. Now, to download your freebie, there's your thank you page. You can test those links and make sure that they work too. It looks like it's the right links. So, and then you can also go and test your email, check your email if the thank you page, not the thank you page, but go check your email and see if your email has arrived with the links as well. So it's quite simple. You've now created your opt-ins, or not created your opt-ins, but you've now uploaded your opt-ins to your Mailchimp, and you've tested your list and tested everything to make sure it actually works the way you expect it to. So thank you for listening, and if you like this video, click like or subscribe. Thanks.